Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, if you're getting this particular error that you're seeing here, which says update SIM manager to continue, I'll show you how to solve the problem. Alright, now of course, if your Android device, which can be any Android device, is getting update the SIM manager to continue, simply go ahead and do as indicated and hit the update. But just before that guys, if we usually get this error in cases where you try to go to, for example, you're trying to troubleshoot some issues, and if you go to settings, once you're in settings, go to connections, and once you're in connection, go to SIM manager. Now usually when you enter here, which is the SIM manager screen, which is your SIM card that's in your device, you usually get that error if this system is outdated. Now, of course, you can go ahead and hit update, and of course, the system should update it. Make sure that you have an active internet connection, and make sure that internet connection is fast enough to download the downloads. If you do that, it should get rid of the error itself. Now, of course, another way to go about it would be to manually do so. So if you go to this store here, which is the Galaxy Store, now this is different from the Play Store. The Galaxy Store is specific for Samsung devices. Play Store is more specific for Android in general. Now if you go to the store here, normally people are familiar with the Play Store. Make sure that you check for all the updates that your device has. So here you can go to the menu. So this is the other way to do it without actually using the update, in case hitting the update on the notification doesn't work. And if you go here to updates, what should happen is that every major update that's related to Samsung itself, which is the manufacturer of the phone in question. So this will work for A series, so Samsung Galaxy A series or any Galaxy. So just the Plus, the FEs, or of course the Ultras. So any of the Samsungs that exist, here is best to keep these up to date. So as you can see here, these are system software such as Samsung Cloud. And you can see a number of them here. And all of these are Samsung related, especially very important system apps. So go ahead and update all, or of course hit the key ones that has to do with systems. All right. So what you're gonna find is that this update has to do with a system setting that needs to be updated. In this particular one, it's actually one that, if I'm remembering correctly, it's called call settings. So of course I'm just demonstrating, so there should be one that's called call settings. So if you keep these updated, it should keep your device up and running. So if you update that, so that's the other way to do it. So if you don't get the error, you can go to the Play Store and update, and you should see call settings, and that should update the system itself. You can also go to Play Store, and if you go into the Play Store as seen here, you can simply go to tap and go to manager. Once you tap, go ahead and go to manager or manage apps and devices, and this is additional settings to make sure that your device is up to date. And of course you can go to option here that says manage, and then you can hit updates, and then you can see if there's any key updates here, and update all of these by checking and hitting the check icon there. So what should happen there guys is, if you do all of that, the system should update itself, and once it updates itself, your system should be up again. And once you go back to that setting there, it should disappear that notification. Do hope this was useful. As always, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, showing you to fix errors on your device such as your A series. See you in the next one guys. Bye.